G'day, here's a little parcel of pieces of botryoidal matrix from central Queensland. I don't know which field. Rules in millimetres, and the material's wetted, and like you can see up there on that piece, the light is reflecting. I'm not going to go through every one of these pieces. There's good and bad in this parcel. Some not as good as others. Bit of blue in the middle here with that piece. Nothing on that side. Cutter's already cut out, but there's still a bit here, maybe not as good. Nice yellow and greens there. Hard to show this material. With something like this, I'd grind the outside first and have a look at that, because that's quite often where the colour is, just under the skin. Again, with something like this, you can see the colours up in here. I'll be grinding that over. A bit of blues. Again, needs to be ground on the outside. This is truly a little nodule. Grinding that down, and perhaps you need to saw it in half, but it's got a lot of nice colour in that. Don't see a lot of this material. Again, that needs to be ground to see what's in it. I'll make a nice stone. Just needs to be ground down to that layer there. And there's all these other little pieces. Some have got more colour than others. Anyway, I think I'll leave the rest up to your decision, how you want to cut it. It's a nice piece. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.